Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at Greenchoice Flowers, which offers several different kinds of flowers, which specializes in roses of various colors, including orange, pink, red, white, yellow, and hot pink, as seen here. And this is the item that we're going to focus on today, 24 hot pink roses. These are fresh cut flowers, shipped directly from the farm, 20-inch long stems, hand-picked and cut per order. These premium flowers are grown in the Highlands of Ecuador, the best region to grow flowers. They're hand-picked in bud form as they travel better and last longer, and you can enjoy them for the longest time once they're delivered from the farm to your door. Just remove the flowers from the box by cutting any straps, then place them in a container with at least 4 inches of fresh cool water. Cut the sleeves holding the bunches together, then start cutting the stems diagonally, approximately an inch from each stem's bottom edge. Immediately after cutting the stems, place the flowers in a vase or container, and keep the flowers away from direct sunlight or excessive heat. Change the water every 2 days to keep the flowers fresh. Also important to note, the Greenchoice Flowers has a Rainforest Alliance certificate. The family-owned farm is committed to using the best practices in order to grow flowers and respecting the environment at the same time. They also have the Green Frog certification seal, indicating that a farm meets standards that require environmental, social, and economic sustainability. And you get fast and free shipping with refrigerated transportation. The roses are shipped in bud form as they travel better, and the roses need 24 to 48 hours to bloom as shown in the pictures. The warmer the temperature and the more sunlight they get, the faster they bloom, but please avoid direct sunlight and overheating as this will not help them. Now let's check out a review from a verified purchaser. When I saw the photo of these roses on Amazon, I knew those were the ones my daughter would like. Even though they were freshly cut and flown from Central America, they arrived as promised in just 4 days. The day they arrived, my daughter called telling me how beautiful and fresh they were. She loves them and sent me a photo next month, than the photo on the Amazon website. My other daughter will be receiving an order of these roses for her birthday. Well, there you go. Birthdays are of course a great occasion, but Mother's Day is also a good choice. So you can pick up something from the Greenchoice Flowers, or just go with the 24 hot pink roses as we looked at here. Order today, I think you're gonna love them.